The SMMA business model is slowly dying in 2023, and let me explain why in this video. So at this point, I assume everyone is pretty familiar with an SMMA. What it is, it's a social media marketing agency. Pretty much what you do is start a freelancing business, but you're able to hire team members, which turns it into an agency. And you reach out to clients, you provide them things like content creation, video editing, you can run their ads, you can help them get more social media followers. But the thing is, with SMMA, your profit margins for a business are pretty good, but they're still around 60 to 70%. Not to mention like all the overhead, like ad costs, hiring team members, hiring video editors, hiring content creators. There's a lot of different things that can go wrong with an SMMA. And it's something that I've noticed over the last few years while running an online business. That's why, in my opinion, starting a SaaS business coming into 2024 is the best thing that you can possibly do. The number one reason for me is the profit margins. With my SaaS, every single month, my profit margins are between 90 and 95%. The reason for this is we use a platform called High Level. They allow us to white label their software, which means you upload your own logo on it and your own domain, and you're able to go out and sell to local businesses for whatever price you want. High Level don't charge you for extra sub accounts or extra clients or anything like that. They charge you one small monthly fee, and this allows you to get unlimited accounts. It doesn't matter what industry, it doesn't matter what price you want to charge your clients. Typically, I charge between $97 or $497 every single month. At the moment, I have around 40 clients on that. I do have one client paying $750 a month and one client paying $900 a month. And with 90 to 95% profit margin, you can do some math and you can figure out exactly what that can typically earn you every single month. Whereas with your SMMA business model, let's just say you were to bring in 10K a month in revenue, you can expect 6 to 7K of that to go into your pocket as profit. Whereas with the SaaS, if you make 10K in a month, you're literally keeping between 9 and 9.5K every single month. Now, how does a SaaS business work? And like I said, we use High Level, but we're gonna go over to the laptop right here and I'll show you a bit more about exactly what it does. This is High Level right here. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna explain a bit more about this, how you can get up and running for completely free for a full month to get this up and running. Get your first few clients on board so you can literally start making money within the next 30 days. But over in High Level, it actually does so much that a local business would need. It doesn't matter if your client is going to be a gym, a barbershop, a dentist, a real estate agent, it doesn't matter, because High Level does everything. It has so many features that maybe not every single type of client can use, but High Level has so many features that you can sell at least 1 or 2 different features to every single industry out there. So as you can see, we got the dashboard right here. This is just some of the opportunities and everything. This is where your clients and also you can keep track of all your customers and all your revenue coming in every single month. You're able to see how many deals are in the pipeline that have actually been won, how many deals have been lost. Maybe the sale didn't come through for whatever reason. So my all-time favorite feature that I like to sell within my SaaS business right here, and I mainly sold this to businesses like hotels and restaurants, businesses that are always bringing in a ton of customers, but there's also so many different variables and different things that can actually go wrong. That feature is called reputation management, and what that is we're able to help local businesses bring in more positive Google reviews, but we're able to internalize and hide all of the negative reviews. So you can already see why a hotel, why a restaurant will like this. Let's just say with the hotel example, there's so many different things that can go wrong with the hotel. Let's just say the receptionist might have been having a bad day, the room mightn't be the cleanest, food mightn't be that well cooked. There's so many different things that can go wrong, which means that the chance of actually bringing in a negative review is much higher for these types of businesses compared to your real estate agencies or your insurance or mortgage companies. So the reason why I love to sell this is because there's literally 100% profit margins on this. Every time a business gets a review request, we send it out via email, which literally costs pennies. And every client might only get 20 to 50 of these every single month, so it literally costs you a few cents every single month per client. And because High Level allow you to create unlimited sub accounts, that's what makes the profit margins here so high every single month. Now my next favorite feature is the website and funnel builder right here. And as you can see, there's literally thousands and thousands of different website and funnel templates that you can use and get up and running for all your clients. So it doesn't matter what industry it's in. Let's just scroll up the top here. It doesn't matter if they're in the financial industry or insurance or holidays or gyms or barbers, whatever. There's literally thousands of templates in here. Let's just go into beauty and fashion. We'll go to an eyelash. We'll go to this eyelash salon upsell and we click on this to view it. As you can see, it gives us a preview right here, how it kind of looks with the buttons and the images and everything on here. All you gotta do is hit continue and you go in here, you change everything for the business. You would upload their logo, you would put some of their images on there, some of their offers and everything. And you literally just go up and connect their domain to the website. A domain is just something like google.com or you got tesla.com, so it would be their business. Like my business is called Growth Rate, so my domain is growthrate.info. You would connect their domain to the website and literally have it up and running and live in around 1 to 2 hours. Whereas if you were to use something like WordPress to do the whole website build out, it usually takes you around 24 to 48 hours of hard, solid work in there. So you can literally get websites up and running for a fraction of the cost for you, but also a fraction of the time. And the thing is, what I like to do is with the website builder is I would sometimes sell websites for completely free, but I upsell them then and I actually get them to pay around 97 or 197 a month for all the hosting and all the other features and all the other parts of the software. So yeah, they're getting a website for free, but we are making money and we are generating revenue just from actually providing these other features and all these other different tools alone. And the thing is, for all the time it takes to get these websites up and running in around an hour, in the long run, it's going to be worth it, because if you got a client paying you for a full year on, let's just say 200 a month, that's already 2,400 euro in the first year alone. It's not just about the website, they got all these other different features in the back. Another big one for me was the opportunities tab over here on the left right here. And this is the CRM right here. And you'd sell this to those types of businesses. Maybe it's real estate agencies or insurance or car dealerships, pretty much those types of businesses that have sales teams and they have a very sort of close relationship with every single one of their actual, customers. Whereas with restaurants, they don't need to keep track of all their customers with the CRM because there's so many coming in all the time. Whereas with those other types of high ticket businesses that are doing big deals, they need to make sure that they're following up with these people. They need to make sure that they're in the correct stage, whether they're not interested or they've become a client or anything. So those big businesses right there literally pay hundreds and sometimes thousands a month for something like this. Now you're able to cut out all these different tools. So let's just take the website builder. You're able to replace things like Shopify and WordPress, whereas with the CRM, you can replace something like HubSpot. HubSpot literally charges hundreds, sometimes thousands a month, depending on the amount of contacts and the amount of users on the software itself. You can replace thousands a month in all these different software things. You can save these businesses so much money every single month, and you can come in at a fraction of the price, or even if you don't want to come in at a fraction of the price, then don't do it. You can sell all this, and I normally sell for 97 to 497 a month. There's so much value that they actually get on that. It doesn't matter if they're paying 497 a month. It doesn't matter if they're paying 97 a month. They're going to be making a lot more money, and you can eventually upsell them down the line to all these different features and everything like that. That's why, in my opinion, SaaS just makes sense over something like SMMA, because SaaS, once you set all of this stuff up, there's not really anything that you need to do down the line. Whereas with the SMMA, you're always in touch with your client, you're always logging into their accounts, you're helping them with their ads, you're doing their video editing, your content creation, whatever. Where again, with the SaaS, you get it up and running, and if there is any issues, you can obviously be there for support and everything, but outside of that, there's nothing really there that you need to do and fulfill, you know what I mean? Now, the reason why I'm making this video is I'm currently running a 30-day SaaS challenge. All you gotta do is sign up for your extended 30-day free trial for Go High Level down in the description. Usually through the High Level website, you can get a 14-day trial, but this is an extended 30-day trial. Myself and High Level actually partnered up recently to offer this extended 30-day free trial. So again, they don't come around very often. I was at the Level Up Summit in Dallas, Texas. I flew all the way from Ireland. I'll put some images on the screen here somewhere. I went out there, met the entire team out there. We partnered up to offer this exclusive extended 30-day free trial. What actually comes included in this 30-day free trial? You get access to all of my different tools and all my resources and all my scripts and all my courses and everything. You get access to the Start Your SaaS course. This will take you from a complete beginner to how to make your first 10K a month predictably and profitably with your own SaaS. You also get access to one-on-one coaching directly from me. It's not any team members, it's literally with me directly. So whenever you do have any questions at all, it doesn't matter what it's to do with, you can just send me over a message and we'll get you up and running in the shortest time possible. We also do weekly calls every single Wednesday. We also do bi-weekly guest calls with a lot of big guys, big guests in the SaaS industry itself. So if you do want to jump into the most profitable and passive business models out there, sign up for your extended 30-day free trial using the first link down in the description. Whenever you get signed up, you should automatically get access to all of those bonuses and all the resources that I mentioned. But if you didn't, you can either drop a comment down below or reach out to me on Instagram. Let me know that you signed up, and if you didn't receive access, I will personally send you access to everything like I mentioned. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'm looking forward to seeing the results that you get from this amazing business model right here.